So have you ever wanted AirPods, wanted better battery life, better sound quality, come in a color that's other than white? Today we're talking about the PaMu Slide. Like you, prior to them reaching out, never heard of them. They're a company that's been around for 2010 making headphones and wireless earbuds and different things. So this is their latest one and I think you'll like it. Okay, so to get started, you just take them out the case. They're already in parent mode, so all you gotta do is have your phone ready and you can get started right away. These are equipped with rubber tips, so if they have trouble fitting, you can change your tips. So that's, one leg up over the AirPods. They're Ipx 6 Water Resistant. It can handle sweat and heavy rain, as well as having touch controls on both, on each one. You're getting some pretty good sound in here. You're getting good clarity, good bass without being too unbalanced. But definitely small earbuds, big sound. So the secret sauce behind this is actually a Qualcomm chip, surprise. It's the QCC3020 processor, so it utilizes less power, it turns into better battery life, stronger signal, and overall better sound quality. And of course you can't be a competitor if you can't take good phone calls. During my testing with them, phone calls, people said they hear me fine, clear, probably better than actually holding the phone. So I'll take that as a plus. And this has probably the best battery life that I've seen on any earbuds that's out right now. So this gives you 10, that's right, 10 hours per charge, not 5 on, 5 off, no, 10 in one shot before you have to go put it in the charging case. And in the charging case, you charge it 5 times. So you're taken care of in the battery department. And speaking of the charging case, did we mention it doubles as a wireless charging brick? It does. Of course, being a smaller charging case, it's not gonna, charge fast or whatever, but it's good enough to give you some extra juice if you're in a pinch, kind of like the reverse wireless charging on smartphones. They sought out to make the best earbuds you can buy, and I can say they pretty much did it. You get good sound quality, better fit, longer battery life, and different color variations. Currently on sale right now on Indiegogo. They've been promoting on Facebook and different social networks over the past couple of weeks. You may have come across it, maybe if not. If you're interested, check them out. I might actually buy an extra pair for my wife because they're pretty good and she enjoyed them. You have any other questions or things that I may have missed, you can sound off in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you in the next video. Peace.